Hi, Rusty Stainless here, and today we're unboxing for repacking a Parrot Disco, which comes in a brown box like this. So let's get into the real box. Very carefully down the middle. Got this from my local Office Works here in Australia. Any Aussie will know that that's a big stationery store that for some reason or other sells drones. This is actually my second one of these. This is a return, warranty return, so replacement, sorry. Out comes the box. And away goes that one. And that one goes down there. Now, open there, open here, open here. Now, the first thing I know is to cut this little bit of tape like that, and that will make your life easier should you need to repack. Cut there, that comes out, fold that back under there. Get the cut there, clean cut there. Holy hell, you are being a stinker today. This is the one bit, that bit of tape there is really bloody annoying, so maybe cutting around in an arc, getting that out of there, that's the best thing. As I say, I've had to, this is a replacement, so I've had to repack this before, and I knew that that was a problem. Alright, so that's what we have inside the box. A couple of brochures sitting up on the top here. Two there. Oh, a bit of CASO, Australian information about flying your drone, warranty slip, and FPV experience, yada yada yada. Put those ones there. Now, a piece of soft foam sitting on the top there, we'll put you up there. So we've got a battery, one part of the battery charger there, goggles there, controller there, and the drone with its little servos there and propeller there. So I'm going to take out this bit first, and there's a reason for that. Got the sticky plastic over the top, and nothing special there. Note the holder for the your phone is a separate piece, so that's not there. Let's put that down here for a moment. Now, this is tucked in straight down, buckles there, and the rest of the strap is tucked in underneath, and essentially the same on both sides. Comes up like that, sticky over here, and the holder for the your phone is in there. So we can put that aside. Now, out with the fuselage of the drone, and nothing particularly special about that. Battery sitting in, cord, the cord sitting out like that, so balance charge there is at the bottom, and this cord just sitting out like that. Here is, as I said, one part of the battery. It's wrapped in plastic, so that's going to come off eventually, and you wouldn't be able to put that back, I don't believe. So anyway, that's plugged up and that goes in there. Then underneath that fuselage was another piece of foam, but with the shaped top sitting into that hole. And beneath that is a manual, which is just in a plastic wrap and folded down with sticky retainer there for the flap. There is only one document in there. And a spare set of propellers, again in a stick down floppy wrap. Two propeller in there, two retaining screws there, and they're in their own little, let's take that out. The two retaining screws are in their own little sealed plastic package there. Alright, out comes that one, and as you can see the way it went in. What's probably best to note is that the wings tuck up underneath that space there, so if you put it in the wrong way you'll end up trying to smash the tops of the wings there. Okay, another layer of soft foam, and there is the first wing. Probably best to just take the phone holder out here. The phone holder has got that piece which screws into the top of the Sky Controller 2, so you screw those two together, but they're packed separately. Now, by taking that off there, that allows that wing to come up completely free. So one wing up and out. Another piece of foam. Cuts in that shape nicely, goes there. And out comes the second wing. And one last piece of soft foam underneath there. And that only leaves this box here, which has got the rest of the parts to the charger. So this cable is actually the one for the charging the Sky Controller. Little tie, twist tie there, and that piece goes into the top of the, into the bottom of the charger there and goes to the Sky Controller. Plugs were sitting in there loosely. You got 4 plugs. They're just not packed. They're packed loosely there. 4 plugs, and they go onto here. So for my Aussie one, that'll go in there and click straight. This is the second charge cable, which is for the battery, and that again fits that hole there. They're dedicated shapes, so you can't mix them up, and that goes on to the top of the balance charger there. And might add that there are 2 lugs on there that fit the 2 slots in the charge there. So that's it. That's all the bits from inside your Parrot Disco. If you need to repack it and send it back, hopefully you'll stop at any part of the video and just see how it all went in. Alright, good luck.